Are you looking for the top 5 e-bikes that will change the way you travel? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 e-bikes that will change the way you travel on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Qlife Cityone 26-inch electric bike for adults. Built-in removable battery. The electric bike built-in battery in this e-bike is UL 2849 certified for anti-theft, while over temperature, over voltage, and overcharging protections ensure reliable performance and long battery life. 55 miles range, 48V. Its battery life is significantly extended by 20% compared to ordinary batteries. Fork suspension. Experience the epitome of riding excellence with our advanced bike boasting a front fork suspension for a smooth, responsive journey over any terrain. 0.2-inch wider tires. The electric bike comes with 26 Astros 2.1 tires, which provide better comfort, stability, and grip than regular 1.95 tires for driving on slippery surfaces, such as mud and sand. Step-through frame. The step-through electric bike is considered to be the best type of e-bike for commuting. This electric bike frame is suitable for riders of all ages and abilities and ensures easy access during urban commuting or recreational riding. Adaptable step-through city e-bike. Adjustable seat suits heights 5 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 5 inches. Crafted from durable materials, it supports up to 350 pounds and includes a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Number 2. Folding electric bike for adults. The electric bike is equipped with a 500W motor with a peak power of 750W. Smart, efficient, and safe are the core features of the motor. IT reaches up to 25 miles per hour in electric mode. Enjoy the convenience of 3 riding modes, manual, pedal assist, and pure electric, providing enough power for your daily travel and experience. IT can take you over any terrain, from city streets to off-road trails charged with 48V/10Ah battery within 5 to 7 hours, or an electric-only range of up to 25 miles, or a pedal assist range of 40 miles. Whether you're commuting or leisurely riding, this electric bicycle offers unparalleled versatility and performance. Explore 3 cycling modes and embark on a fulfilling journey. Effortless cruising, exercising, or seamless commuting. We are here to serve you. Choose between pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, or ride like a regular bike, and customize your mode to fit the purpose of your journey. Additionally, a basket is equipped in the front for carrying luggage. Lightening the load on your backpack, the electric bike is easy to assemble. Most of the work already done, and clear instructions and tools provided. Plus, HighKeep comes with a 365-day part assurance and customer support. If you experience any problems, we will strive to provide you with 100% satisfactory after-sales service. Number 3. VEEFA F1 electric bike for adults. The F1 folding electric bike is suitable for every member of the family. Just 2 steps are needed to fold the bicycle, making it convenient to take on buses, subways, or store in the trunk. With its sleek and modern design, you'll turn heads while enjoying the ultimate in riding comfort. The hidden built-in battery provides added security against theft while enhancing water and dust resistance. Excellent suspension and 20-foot puncture-resistant fat tires effortlessly conquer beach and mountain terrain. The dual-disc brake system ensures powerful braking while providing comfort. It's also equipped with a high-performance gear system, ensuring smoother and more efficient rides. Additionally, it features humanized details, such as adjustable height, comfortable seat, and adjustable handlebar. The recommended height for the rider is 5'0" 6'2". Enhanced visibility with bells, bright LED headlights, and rear reflectors ensures that riding at night is as safe as during the day. Additionally, with our lithium-ion batteries and the entire bike certified to UL 2849, you can enjoy a safer and more reliable riding experience. Number 4. GOKU electric bike for adults 500W peak motor. The GOKU electric bike for adults combines power, portability, and convenience in one sleek design. Equipped with 500W peak motor, this folding e-bike delivers smooth acceleration and can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it perfect for city commutes, errands, or leisure rides. The durable frame folds easily, allowing for quick storage in apartments, offices, or car trunks. With 14-inch or 20 tire options, riders can choose between compact maneuverability or added stability. Powered by a reliable battery, the GOKU e-bike provides extended range for daily use. Whether you're navigating busy streets or cruising to the park, this lightweight and efficient electric bike offers a fun, eco-friendly, and practical transportation solution for modern urban living. Aluminum alloy frame, weight 65 lbs, load 265 pounds e-bike for adults is easy to handle. The adjustable seat and handlebars fits from 4.8 inch to 6.2 height. Comfort for men, women, seniors, office workers, youth, and students. It folds easily in a car trunk, saving space, and is suitable for commuting, traveling, or outdoor adventures. Number 5. Electric bike for adults, Fast Bike. Our electric mountain bike is equipped with powerful brushless motor, top speed 30 miles per hour, making climbing easier. Effortlessly conquer off-road challenges. Provide a smooth ride on different roads, from city streets to off-road trails. Powered by a 48V high performance battery. Removable battery help you to take it to any place to charge. Fast charging technology allows you to complete a charge in only 5 to 6 hours. Achieve a range of 70 miles in pedal assist mode and 30 plus miles in electric mode. This electric bicycles for adults is portable, and step-through e-bikes are often favored for their versatility, as they can be used by a wide range of riders, including those wearing skirts or dresses, as well as older adults or individuals carrying items on a rear rack. Our bikes for adults feature adjustable 7-speed gears with 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist classic bike, and 5 pedal assist levels PAS. Urban commuter bikes have been 90% pre-assembled. Installation video is attached to our product page. We provide 12 months after sales service with motor, battery, charger, and controller. Contact us if you have any questions. Please keep the original package for a while, in case if there is any issue for return.
Artlist.io